Awale? Da. And request when a teacher makes a banish show. Da and quality because you have one down your fan, young, get better than you. She winning. Miss Row. Bomodia, Tina, maybe can ye. Co, na conye, mo, no, ma, me. There you go, no problem. Messi Quanium, no, Messi Quanium, Missy Manu, Dane, but I never knew about the new couldn't to be a decro. Jimmy. Nadu. About pay. One to be me bon, eh?
Sorry, it was my dad.
In the I don't know about you. Oh, daddy, nest and know about you. Open our station. What am I doing? Shall I go? You know, I fear. I need a boa.
Forget about him.
Oh, come on, come on, firstly. Come on, firstly, and then I can firstly.
Don't do that. You know he's older than you.
Older how many? Forget tomorrow about. Hey!
I really can't get what is happening. Is it because of the network or something? Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. Gentlemen, how may I help you?
It seems you are Freeman's father.
That's right. How do you know this?
You know, we've discussed a lot about you, and besides, the resemblance is there too.
Yes, of course. So, you see, the way you talk tells me that really, wouldn't it be Banapa?
Listen, don't talk too much. She's the best I've ever had.
Wow. It's interesting, yeah. So you mean you are my daughter's boyfriend?
Exactly. You know,
much in project. How ya mama di wo ya pa o. Why you lucky say woni me ba twempra. Na I didn't want me fie.
I had a nasty experience with your wife the last time, so I promised myself not to step a foot in that house again.
Karushine.
Exactly.
What did she do to you?
Can you imagine? She poured a bucket of soapy water on me.
Jesus Christ.
On me.
A gentleman like you.
Can you imagine? Tony Bossman? She disrespected me. She disgraced me. A whole me Bossman.
Tony Bossman, leave her for me. Jano Mami, I'll deal with her.
You have to.
I'll do that. She's my wife. I'm telling you, I'll deal with her. How can she do this to you, Tony Bossman?
But please, can I see Freeman now?
Wabrabo no say menti ase den na wo do wabrabo ne.
Me mabrabo.
Da bia me dia. Me dia.
Ke wa ke me planning life me wi ameka chile
o. Planning. Wo tena he, wo so bia wo planning life. A wo so anopa na wo chin tap ponchin wo ninam area ha ye ne wo pe bia wo planning life. We a town planner. Hwe nkrofo ma akọ school. Ebi ma akọ school adwuma. Omu ye adwuma, omu di kakra be ma omu ma me na onu so edibi. But wo die no ente sa. Up and down. Now wo chin. Now wo ninam. Wo ye nia wo pe. Awale adan.
Forget obi mu ba no mi so mi kita mi hu kra different o. Inye e kra ni mi hu. Oh, mbese me the richest man in Africa I say.
Huh? Who?
Mi tonge Dangote me don be two side di.
When the Dangote be two inside di na che say papa no want to say wo. He didn't begin like this. So who ti ha now catch so person say Dangote, e be say be richest man. Hey, awale. Who papa or dada? Dream wo life hu. Fa wo life no enye bibi. Say spiritual, ye de be fa from. And I be quite sorry. Me na me do be wiase, me na me ye o ma me bua o. Ama why is somebody responsible? What microphone sre me? Awale adan. Eh?
Ah, ma se unu se Seaman papa. Enti mi pese me ship contractor.
Hey, oh, I'm fanya me. I don't contractor.
Ship contractor.
What province?
Oh, interesting. Frima is joining the Moroccan Air. Yeah, she's in Morocco.
But she did not inform me about that.
It's true. May sure say now, she was excited, and you know, mani wifi say or background. But anyway, offer make a chance over her.
Okay. Thank you. So please, I must get going by now. Okay.
But your name?
My name is Tony Bossman.
Tony Bossman.
I'll see you some other time. Okay.
That's how we mean kwasa kwasa.
Oh yes. Sorry about that. Sorry. I know what to do.
That's right.
I know what to do. So you get this.
Oh, Tony, family and Sabi can win.
No problem. Let me also keep this small one for
problem.
some.
Tony Bossman.
That's it.
But let me tell you one thing. Me, so when me baba nam chimpra, na say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. When to me and me bana, I don't respect you. What in America?
Yeah.
It be so Tini American ye. Free my bar. Nyamono mami. Period. You hear me, no.
Don't worry. I will give you grandchildren.
No way, such a gentleman, oh, mommy, grandchildren, some colano, me person who you saying, me bano.
Thank you.
Nyamono mami.
Thank you, sir. I will do that.
Thank you. Bossman.
Tony Bossman.
Tony Bossman. Okay, Bossman, bye. Oh, me who say where Jimmy? Man no more sa.
What hey, you bet me a ship contractor. What me the work of school? Went to me anyway. Me the work of swing Juma went to me anyway. Nina, Mr. Kashi, what's on betting if you who's now you gallivant everywhere. What? How can you be so bet me a ship contractor? Our ladder. Me febo. Come here. Awale, kasache me my old day. Who shall papa we? On your dream, papa dear mau.
Papa ngela yue. Enu shishi e ga ma Russia. Ni aka se nutumo. Kemba ne keno Ghana bi da Africa. Enko efian.
Hey! Awale ogbeni. Oya ngbe Russia. O papa nim kotoka kwan. Na odi wa ko Russia. O papa onam ha. De bia na wa butim. Ofi kromo ba de nisi truck so eye wo fe obetumi di wa ko Russia oni just say he has no future for you and ma papa say wadwen me na me wo me na me ye wo mami let me help you oh awale me na febu papa fire lo
oh mama I'm no fi o ja
e ma wo awale na o
ko medun mi ya mama ba
oh kwa biem
ba kasa
boy
ma o yan want ti de
Zagola we I run oh my breath oh
Mr. Bossman. Oh, hello, Mr. Bossman. Hello, Mr. Bossman. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I know this face.
Oh, who are me? Me na madam fune. Seaman nuano da no betu efie ne kwana no ho no a. I okay, if mu fie ne kwana no.
Oh yeah. How are you?
Oh, I'm very good.
That's good. That's it.
Now, some lady oh yeah then wa.
I went to Freeman's house.
Okay.
And I met with the father. The father says Freeman has traveled to Morocco. Morocco.
Ayin fako.
Morocco.
Oh, David. Mr. Bossman, I'm going Morocco bia.
Why? Has she been kidnapped or something?
Good afternoon, madam.
Afternoon. I don't know Wale.
No, please. I'm here to see Genevieve.
Huh? Ade. Genevieve, why are they?
Actually, I borrowed a handout in school, so I'm here to return it.
Who borrow handout? Sure. Master. School where Miss Marco video. I think we chum kolo. You can't be smarter than me. So what you say? I the original saying Genevieve. Genevieve. My friend, come here. Hey.
Na kidnap sen. Obi an obet ma kidnap no. Frema. Ah. Ayi buko mu halam ne ISIS fo no kra. Omo mo ho ode no kra obi an obet ma kidnap no.
Are you sure?
Oh, Frema no ho otura kasa. Why say ayi aboa bi na nam bi na e fra na adwen no. No ho ye trotro obi an obet ma akire no.
So what's the problem?
Na problem ne say owayi akosomo.
Are you sure?
Oh, Master, I'm more than sure. Oh, akosomo sisi ayi. Ayi woni ayi, won ayi ambassador for no. Omo aya ayi anamsini for no. Ah, oni bi call holidays kura. Omo samre omo ti o mani won suo no so kura.
Thank you for this information.
Oh, so we don't say me pe wasempa. Da no ba usu ye me fine. Eh me hu anam so me fe wasem. Nothing for the boys.
You see.
Yes, how? Okay. Mr. Bossman, you will be too much. I'm too much. So we are too much. Hey.
What do you know?
Mom, I need to go to school. My son in our class.
I saw a bro hangout.
My way can't hang out. A hangout.
If you don't shut up, you know what my left hand can do. Make to chango in this foolish girl. Hey, master. Me mamu me no warning. Samu wo bibi eye. Anafe na mu planning. Anafe na mo dwen ho. Samu be twem plan dia. Master, me chimu me no na me twetwa mo to se brode. Na ma chimu to se kelewele. So tinya me ka chew no. Famanu na move out. Fear. And your tre. On shan dey hang out my foot. Hey! Genevieve! Genevieve! Attention! Nakplo. Attention nakplo. Attention nakplo. Me dem sisu sika na me dey show. Oh! Nak boy na ofo.
So no akofaba. Ayo abodje sese opapon. Me. What the idea be me Jimmy for? Ka twen na me na school boy. By this time.
Esiba. Hey, Bobby.
Esiba. I can see your dress for town already.
Yeah.
As for this one, I lock you because if I delay a little bit, I will not have car to beat you.
Oh, waiting as a mobile phone. No, say we are meeting me afro. No, afraid me. Well, you didn't get a home. Oh, there be winning ho. I am fine.
As for me, I don't like a mobile phone. I hate it.
And
let me tell you something. The mobile phone is a deliberate strategy by the white man to destroy our natural communication association.
What do you mean to us here?
You don't understand? Let me explain it. Have you forgotten that those days when there was no mobile phone, if you want to visit somebody, you just walk to the person's house, you visit the person. But now that there's mobile phone, you want to visit somebody, you have to call the person will tell you lies that he's not in the house, meanwhile he's in the house. By the time you go, the person is eating a fufu or a baku.
Hey, Bobby. It be to be more our own pay.
I'll collect it, but I'll sell it and use the money to drink.
Bobby and Sabaku.
But you and me, we are.
But it's not all we know. The Sunday I really just had a baby.
So that now that you address this, where are you going?
Oh, can be call Royal the dinner, ma call you Kakrana. Well, home, my gym from my breeze in the Kakra Atlantic Ocean.
Esiba, you enjoy life, oh.
Me know who is saying. Just say, pan your crown fire.
If you move that stepping, you move that stepping. So Esiba, am I a candidate to this realization?
Why not?
So I can come with you.
Let's go quickly.
Siva. So can I do another suggestion?
Come out.
Is Karusha in the house?
Yes, she's sleeping.
Good. If Karusha is in the house, why don't you tell Karusha that she should prepare something? Because as we are going, there is no way we can relax without drinking. So I suggest that she will prepare a baku, a fraternity, or something. So that after drinking, I will come home, I will come and eat.
What about boss? I can.
You are the sponsor.
Okay. Karosai. Caro.
Yes, my darling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Karosai.
Yes, Bobby, to say.
I am fine.
Lovely, lovely.
Siva.
That is my beautiful wife. Hey, Caro. Tie. You call Royal today. You could chucha kakra. Na. Ye beba no. Nka wa ye biane kakra. Nkurman kwan bi a kyese enam fofom enam ayemu ma so ho. Na ye ba na etimi anya bibi adi.
So.
Oh, simple.
Sorry.
Dikaro we keke no so wintimi nka se oh Seaman we de meye na kira na bia na wo twese nka matua memoska opeska papa
We chop money.
Siva, and let me tell you, there's no way she will cook this food without collecting money. Have you forgotten how much it is so? He say, "Eba pe soko, asoko na ba pe."
just bovi momo ayigbefo ne de just kasa bia ye humu language ni wom ema pe soko na ma pe aye pe.
Don't let us argue about this one. Give her the money. Let us go.
Enti o sha be yes.
I'm 200 per 200 Ghana.
O Karosai. And o we no so no.
I don't know.
Okay.
Interested one to mommy.
Oh, it's okay. Aso.
Okay, aso. Hey, me back on overtime.
Back in maybe a 1 hour or a 2 hour time.
Oh, money how cry. Me be pay from.
But Karosai, mind you. And me di. Na me diada.
Sir?
Yes.
We did diada.
We did diada. Okay.
So I'm broom kwadi now. Yeah, I'm for we sit truck so I'm back.
Karosai. Siva, you enjoy you.
What? You love my wife.
Oh no, it's a taboo. I'm just saying that you're.
It's a what?
A taboo.
Come from. Bovi, ade, ayigbe, atola jugba na chuda. Caro,
Gidi. Nade.
Come and do see.
Karosai.
My friend sir, number busy.
oh na, many Seaman banko kasa wa Rotterdam.
Atole.
Atole.
Atesi banke. Atola jugba dada chuda.
And so I'm fancy. Enjoy your food. Bon appetit.
Atole. Atole. Atesi banke. Atola jugba dada chuda. Ayoya, ayemia boba. Mogoya juniana. What day? Hey, do what shine. Like my grandma, you have to throw the water. Put this one down. Pick this one from there.
And you have to
put the water down. Crucial. Just we have to play.
Seaman, I want to pray. Are we going to pray again?
Let's pray. I'm a Christian.
We already drunk. We have a traditional, so you want me to pray? I'll pour Abesha your house. You want pour Abesha your house?
I forget myself. I'm a Muslim.
I see you are called Kadu. You don't even know your religion again.
It's okay. I'm a Muslim. Let's pray. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Wasnabawakum! Atabi.
Allahu Akbar.
Atabi.
Allahu Akbar. I hope it's a small one. I hope it's a big one.
Let's see.
Seaman. Seaman. Is it what I suggested to you to suggest you and your wife Karosha to cook for us?
Karosha!
Karosha!
There.
Karosha, is that how you are?
What is this? What sort of life is this? What is this?
Karosha, I saw every day I will come to this house, I will be praising you. I cook for us, and this is what you cook for us.
You do me, I do you. Bon appetit, monsieur.
Karosha, what?
Seaman, you know something?
What is this?
I will never step foot in this house again. If I ever step foot in this house, I will turn that fire me. If I step foot in this house, have you heard Karosha? If you see me anywhere, call it God. I pass and let me pass.
Karosha, what is this?
What is this?
What is this?